MASH Camp, and that stands for Missouri AHEC Science and Health Camp. We've partnered with Kansas City University on the Joplin campus.
These are a bunch of high school students from the Joplin area that have shown an interest in being in some kind of healthcare field in the future. We took them on a tour this morning, and then this afternoon they're going through a bunch of different activity rotations.
And we're just kind of showing them what it's actually like at the med school and giving them a heads up like, okay, if you're interested, here's kind of what to expect. Here's all the different paths you can take. If you ever see the term itis, that just means inflammation of. So like colitis, inflammation of the colon.
We're gonna push those fingers a little bit up toward the ceiling. And you notice that her nose moves back toward me whenever I do that.
When you mix it, you try to avoid putting bubbles in it, because the bubbles are really what hurts the quality of the impression.
I think it's a great opportunity for many students because maybe they're in high school and they're like, I want to be a doctor when I grow up. But that feels like such an aspirational goal that it's hard for students to see what that path looks like.
No matter your background, you can do this. You can find a way to do this. I don't have any physicians in my family. I don't really have anyone in healthcare in my family at all. And I'm here, and I'm going to finish this within the next year.
When they're in here, they're able to ask questions of med students who are often so honest and say, hey, you know what, I wasn't always perfect at this, but here's what I did. All of a sudden, those goals that feel aspirational feel attainable.
I was getting into more of the medical part, but now I'm like, I want to be a dentist. After seeing all like the dentistry stuff here, and I'm most interested in going to like this school specifically.
Being able to have these conversations, see the joy within, especially high school students, when they start seeing things that they find really interesting, holds a very special place in my heart. It's hard, and it definitely takes a lot of grit and dedication and perseverance, but anyone can do it.